What if your next favorite gadget was small enough to fit in your pocket but packed with features that blow your mind? Let's check out the mini gadgets you never knew you needed. Hocolight Lumia. Ever struggled with lighting when filming or reading? The Hocolight Lumia is a game changer. This compact device combines a mirror, adjustable lighting, and a magnetic phone stand. Whether you're shooting a vlog or just need some light for reading, this thing's got you covered. The best part? It's super lightweight, only 75 grams, and lasts up to 2 hours on a charge, all for just $39. It's a must-have for anyone who's on the go. Guide! Getting lost has never been this easy to solve. With the Guide, a press of a button sends your exact GPS location to your friends or family. You can even attach it to your bags or devices to track them if they get lost or stolen. Perfect for travelers or anyone prone to misplacing things. And it only costs $38, making it an affordable solution for peace of mind. Ortomi Umi, imagine a robot buddy that helps fight loneliness. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? The Ortomi Umi does just that. It responds to touch, shows emotions, and even interacts with other robots. If you've ever wanted a robot companion, and who hasn't, this $140 device is the closest thing to it. It's more than just a gadget, it's a friend. Apexel telemacro lens. Whether you're a photographer or just love snapping pictures, the Apexel telemacro lens will elevate your game. It's a dual-purpose lens that works for both distant shots and macro photography. At only $61, it gives you the versatility of a high-end camera lens, but in a tiny 134-gram package. Perfect for capturing the world in amazing detail, whether it's a bug on the ground or a distant landmark. Tispinx. The Tispinx is like your Swiss Army knife in a pendant. It's a stylish accessory that sharpens knives, lights the way with tritium vials, and even spins like a fidget toy. At just $65, it's a multifunctional gadget that's as cool as it is practical, and it's small enough to wear around your neck. Heineken The Flipper. Now this one's still just a concept, but Heineken's The Flipper is a game changer for socializing. It's a phone case that flips your phone face down when someone says cheers, encouraging you to engage in face-to-face conversation. Imagine how this simple feature could shift social dynamics. No more distractions while you're out with friends. Unfortunately, it's not available yet, but keep an eye on it. Fidget gun. Can fidgeting really help reduce stress? If you've ever used a fidget spinner, you know the answer is yes. The fidget gun takes it up a notch. It lets you shoot soft bullets while you fidget, making it the ultimate stress reliever for those who need to stay focused. Whether you're in a meeting or on a business trip, this gadget, priced at $30, will keep your hands busy and your mind at ease. Trine Anti-Theft Monitoring Alarm. Working in a cafe with your laptop? The Trine Anti-Theft Monitoring Alarm could save your gear from getting snatched. It pairs with an app and emits an alarm if someone tries to steal your laptop. It lasts up to 20 hours on a single charge and costs $81. Perfect for anyone who works on the go but needs to keep their tech safe. Boio 2.0. The Boio 2.0 is the perfect reading light for book lovers. Its glare-free, evenly distributed light makes reading a breeze, whether you're curled up with a novel or flipping through work documents. With up to 95 hours of use on a single charge, it's a solid investment for anyone who reads a lot, especially at night. And at $59, it's a steal. Focus timer. Ever struggle with staying focused? The focus timer could be your new best friend. It's like an hourglass but cooler. The glowing rings indicate the passage of time. Blue for 1 minute, yellow for 10, and up to 100 minutes. Perfect for keeping track of your productivity or managing your time in study sessions. For just $59, it's a simple but effective way to stay on top of your tasks. T-Keyboard S3 Pro. Tech geeks, get ready for the T-Keyboard S3 Pro, a tiny keyboard that's all about customization. Each key has its own mini LCD screen, and with the dual-core microprocessor, it's surprisingly powerful for its size. If you love tech gadgets or minimalist setups, this $60 keyboard is perfect for your desk. Rockblock. Rockblock is the world's smallest wireless turntable, and it's mind-blowing. It sits on your vinyl record and magically plays music without the need for a big, bulky turntable. For just $15 during its Kickstarter campaign, you get a super portable and fun way to listen to your favorite vinyl, no wires needed. FrostCore Pro, gaming on your phone, but it's overheating. The FrostCore Pro could be the solution. It attaches to your phone and keeps it cool during those intense gaming sessions. With a fan that spins up to 10,000 RPM, it's a must-have for mobile gamers. At $49, it's a small price to pay to protect your phone and keep your gaming experience smooth. Chico Bay C1 S Flosser. Dental care gets a high-tech upgrade with the Chico Bay C1 S Flosser. It's got a cool silver ion coating that eliminates 99.9% of bacteria. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just press a button to get a fresh piece of floss. It's a clean and efficient way to keep your teeth in top shape, all for $49. Make 100 factorial. For the radio enthusiast, the Make 100 is a must-have gadget. This device tunes into number stations and decodes the mysterious broadcasts of numbers, letters, and weird sounds. If you're into cryptography or just love the mystery of these broadcasts, this $134 gadget will let you tap into a whole new world of radio. Metmo Fractal Vice. The Metmo Fractal Vice is not just a vice, it's a work of art. Designed by Paul Kuhner, it holds workpieces with incredible precision, even curved ones. For anyone into DIY projects or metalworking, this $223 gadget is perfect for those who need to do the job right, with minimal effort. RC Airplane? Ever wanted to fly a UFO? The RC Airplane is a flying saucer that works indoors and outdoors. It's soft and safe, with an EVA foam body that absorbs the shock if you crash it. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this $60 gadget is perfect for anyone looking to take their flying skills to the next level. RoboStand's RW1. If you love watches, the RoboStand's RW1 is a must-have. It's a watch winder that rotates your watch, keeping the rotor moving and your watch always working, even when you're not wearing it. Perfect for watch collectors, this gadget helps keep your prized timepieces in perfect condition. Starting at $99, it's an easy way to take care of your investment. Zera Max DVA. This gadget does it all. Zera Max 2 is an air conditioner and a heater. In the summer, it cools your room down, and in the winter, it keeps you warm. It works for up to 17 hours on a single charge, so it's perfect for keeping comfortable no matter the weather. At $89, it's like having two gadgets in one. Link shoes. Imagine flip-flops that are as comfy as sneakers. That's exactly what the Link shoes offer. They're perfect for walks on the beach or quick bike rides, with a design that focuses on comfort and support. Priced at $79, these hybrid shoes are perfect for anyone who loves casual, easygoing footwear that can handle almost anything. MyCoin. This tiny flashlight, the MyCoin, packs a big punch. It's the size of a coin, but gives off a powerful 300 lumens of light. With 5 different settings and a durable titanium body, this $65 flashlight is perfect for anyone who needs portable, reliable lighting for everyday tasks or emergency situations. X-Ring D13. Need a gadget that can do it all? The X-Ring D13 is a trackpad, mouse, remote control, and laser pointer all in one. Weighing just 20 grams, this mini device can last up to 10 days on a single charge. Whether you're presenting in a meeting or just need something compact for your tech setup, this $39 gadget has you covered. Yao L1 Pro. For mobile gamers, the Yao L1 Pro is a game changer. It attaches to your iPhone to give you better control and precision while gaming, especially for titles like Genshin Impact. At just $16, it's an affordable way to make your gaming experience smoother and more enjoyable. Magnus Turtle Slider. Looking for the ultimate fidget toy? The Magnus Turtle Slider is made of durable zirconium and uses magnets for smooth, satisfying movements. It's not just for fidgeting, it's a high-end, elegant piece that's perfect for anyone who loves gadgets that are both fun and stylish. At $227, it's a bit pricey, but it's definitely one of a kind. Masterfine 360. Whether you're a graffiti artist, cake decorator, or car enthusiast, the Masterfine 360 is a versatile paint sprayer that's perfect for any job. It's compatible with most airbrush markers, and a single charge gives you up to 3.5 hours of use. At $79, it's a fantastic tool for anyone who needs precision painting on the go. MoveSpeed GD10 SSD. If you need fast data storage, the MoveSpeed GD10 SSD is for you. It transfers data at lightning speeds, up to 1,500 megabytes per second, making it perfect for video editors, gamers, or anyone who needs quick file transfers. Plus, it's password protected, and the 1 terabyte version costs $190, making it a great option for storing all your important files securely. HSF Tools Finder S1. The HSF Tools Finder S1 is a thermal camera that can detect overheating wiring. Simply plug it into your phone or tablet, and it'll give you accurate temperature readings from -20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. With super resolution tech, it provides clear images, making it a handy gadget for anyone working with electronics or looking for overheating issues. It's priced at $139. Pocket Sprite. The Pocket Sprite is a tiny gaming console that lets you play retro games from systems like Game Boy and Sega Master System. With a 240 megahertz dual-core processor, it runs smoothly, and its tiny OLED screen makes it easy to enjoy your favorite games on the go. At $50, it's a steal for any retro gaming fan. Boat Motor Coffee Stirrer. Want to make your coffee routine more fun? The Boat Motor Coffee Stirrer looks like a mini boat motor and stirs your coffee while making waves in your cup. It's a fun, quirky way to add some adventure to your morning, and it's only $10. Who knew stirring your coffee could be so exciting? Light Phone 3. Sometimes we all need a break from the constant buzzing of notifications. The Light Phone 3 helps you disconnect by offering just the essentials: calls, texting, and directions. With its e-ink screen and no distractions, it's perfect for those who want to take a step back from the digital world. At $700, it's a bit of an investment, but it's perfect for digital detoxes. Casio Sauna Watch. For sauna lovers, the Casio Sauna Watch is a dream. This rugged watch can handle the intense heat of a sauna and even tracks cool-down breaks with a 12-minute timer. With a flexible strap that's easy to adjust, it's built to withstand temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius. At just $55, it's a must-have for anyone who enjoys a good sauna session. ThinkLabs One Stethoscope. The ThinkLabs One stethoscope is the world's smallest and most powerful stethoscope. It amplifies sound 100 times and can be used for 125 patients on a single charge. It's perfect for doctors, nurses, or anyone in the medical field who needs a reliable, high-performance stethoscope. At $956, it's an investment, but it's top-notch in quality. Deeper Connect Pico. For anyone who's serious about online privacy, the Deeper Connect Pico is a decentralized VPN router with a 7-layer firewall. It works without subscriptions or activity logs, keeping your browsing safe and secure. At $129, it's a great gadget for anyone looking to protect their online privacy without paying monthly fees. LensoCube. The LensoCube is a portable projector that fits in your pocket. It delivers HD quality images and lets you stream directly from services like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime. Whether you're at home or on the go, it's the perfect way to enjoy movies anywhere. At $625, it's a premium gadget. But for movie lovers, it's totally worth it. BeMo. The BeMo is a mini health scanner that checks your temperature, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even performs an ECG. It can identify potential health issues in minutes and is great for keeping track of your well-being. At $284, it's a convenient way to stay on top of your health. VSN One Controller. For creators, the VSN One Controller is a versatile tool that works with programs like Pro Tools and Unity. It supports MIDI and includes 6 independent modules, allowing you to control your music production or game design software. Priced at $145, it's a great gadget for anyone working in the creative industry. Mini arcade machine. Relive your childhood with the mini arcade machine. A tiny device that lets you play 240 classic 8-bit arcade games. With a 2.5-inch screen and 5 hours of play on a single charge, this portable arcade is perfect for gaming on the go. At $30, it's an affordable way to take a trip down memory lane. Pocket binoculars. The pocket binoculars are compact yet powerful, offering 8 times magnification and a clear view up to 112 meters away. They're smaller than your smartphone, making them perfect for outdoor adventures, bird watching, or sporting events. At $20, they're an affordable way to get professional quality optics on the go. Paddle Play. For paddle players, the Paddle Play sensor attaches to your racket and collects data on your game. It helps you track your performance and improve your skills. You can even see your stats directly on your smartphone while you're playing. At $101, it's a great gadget for anyone serious about improving their game. Chef Lab. The Chef Lab is a wireless thermometer powered by AI that helps you cook the perfect steak every time. It adjusts based on the recipe or suggests temperatures based on the ingredients you're using. It can handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. And at $99, it's a great investment for anyone who loves cooking. OXO Egg Timer. Boiling eggs just got easier with the OXO Egg Timer. It tells you when your eggs are soft, medium, or hard-boiled, and even pierces the eggs to make peeling easier. For just $26, it's a simple but handy gadget that takes the guesswork out of cooking eggs. Wheel Keep. Bike theft is a thing of the past with Wheel Keep, a bike security system that alerts you if your bike is moved unexpectedly. It tracks your bike's location with 3-meter accuracy, and with a 3-month battery life, it's the perfect way to keep your bike safe. Priced at $159, it's a smart investment for bike owners. Zima Board. The Zima Board is a low-cost home server that runs on a dual-core Intel processor. It's perfect for setting up a cloud storage system, a media server, or a private VPN. It's easy to set up, runs on Linux-based software, and starts at $100, an affordable option for anyone looking to build their own server. Banala. Improve your sleep quality with Banala, a device that plays calming theta waves to help you fall asleep and switches to delta waves for deep sleep. For just $49, it helps you regulate your sleep cycle and wake up feeling refreshed. Chuzhou Mini Digital Camera. The Chuzhou Mini Digital Camera gives you a retro photography experience with modern digital technology. It takes 12-megapixel photos and records short videos, all while giving you a vintage film camera look. At $81, it's a unique way to capture memories with a nostalgic vibe. Gearbug. For anyone who's always on the go, the Gearbug is a small gadget that helps organize all your small items. Whether it's your cables, earbuds, or other tiny essentials, this little bug keeps everything in one place. With a fun design and practical use, it's the perfect accessory to make sure you never lose track of your stuff. It's affordable too, and that's a wrap on some of the coolest mini gadgets out there. Which one would you add to your collection? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome tech content. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.